Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. My name is Nick Santiago. Today is May 19, 2015. Thank you all for tuning in. All right, we're going to start off with the S&P 500 E-mini futures. You're going to see they're trading down by about 4 points. I should say trading higher by about 4 points to 21.30 per contract. So futures are a little bit higher, but they have come back off of the highs. You can see how they have tapered off here and actually have been starting to trickle a little bit lower, but they're still positive nonetheless before the opening bell. So we'll see what today brings us, but we have a lot of good earnings plays out here today. We're going to start off the day with Urban Outfitters. Ticker symbol is URBN. You're going to see that this stock is getting roasted and toasted. It closed at $40.72 yesterday. It is now trading at $34.85. Did trade below 34 briefly. I'm going to have gap levels for this equity. We'll put them up in the intraday stock chat room right at 9 o'clock. So again, if you want to trade Urban with us, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see our gap levels there, and we'll be looking to play this one once the opening bell rings this morning. Next one on my radar is going to be Walmart. WMT is the ticker symbol here. The stock right now is trading at $77.91. Closed at $79.92. So Walmart is trading down after earnings. Not a huge move down, but I could see the stock testing the 76, 75 level. So keep that on the radar. Could have lower to go. I am seeing some intraday support around $76.75. Next up is going to be Agilent. Ticker symbol is A. They reported earnings as well. Stock is trading a little bit lower. Stock closed at $42.63. It is now trading at $41. The only level I like for Agilent today is around $39.40. $39.40. I think you could scalp it there on the long side. All levels mentioned in this video are scalp levels. But if you want to trade this alongside of us, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You'll see our screen, see everything that we're doing, and you can trade right alongside of us. It's been a great 2015. Let's take a look here at TJ Maxx. TJX is the ticker symbol. Stock is trading decently higher. It closed at $67.26. It is now trading at $70.35. There is a fair amount of resistance up here around this level going back to the March highs. So right around $71. There is a fair amount of resistance right from the March highs. Traders should keep that on the radar and just realize that. So if we could get through there, then maybe the stock does have more upside to go, but that's still a pretty big level in my opinion, around 71. Anytime you come to a double top like that, generally you will find some sellers up there. So just be a little bit careful, but if it can get through there, there's definitely more upside if you own it. What I would do is just trail the stop loss. That's the best way to play it. Let's take a look at Home Depot. They reported earnings as well. Stock right now is trading at $116.41, closed at $114.33. That's a good reaction for Home Depot. The stock does have daily chart resistance around 118. That will be a double top from the month of March as well. So you want to keep that on the radar. If it can get through there, I suppose it has more upside, but it's going to be tough to get through there. It is a little bit overbought already, so be careful at Home Depot here. Let's take a look at Dick's Sporting Goods. I believe they were on the earnings calendar also. Right now the stock is trading at $53.75. I believe I have gap levels for this one today, so come on over, take a 7-day free trial. You'll get all of my gap levels for Dick's Sporting Goods. That one should be in play once the opening bell rings, so we'll see how that plays out. But nonetheless, we will be looking to trade that equity today. Next on the radar is Take-Two Interactive. TTWO is the ticker symbol here. The stock is trading at $26.13. It closed at $24.20. This is a pretty good move looking at the stock. Now, how much upside is left in it? That's the hard question. There's a fair amount of resistance right around the 26.25 level. So traders should keep that on the radar. Even I should say 26.44 level. You have a fair amount of resistance there. And then really 27.05. There should be a ton of resistance for the stock there. So either way you slice or dice it though, Take-Two having a nice little move today. One stock I did notice, BHP Billiton, was down again today. It was down yesterday after a spinoff. Today it's trading a little bit lower. A level where traders can look for a little bit of support on this equity would be $45.10. So keep that on the radar. If it does get down to around $45.10, give or take a couple pennies, there will be a pretty good support level there. I see for BHP. But ultimately, that's just a scalp level. Ultimately, the stock still looks pretty weak on the charts. Let's take a look at Vodafone. Ticker symbol is VOD. Looks like the stock is trading at 35.16, closed at 36.51. I'm not really keen on any levels at the moment, but if it got down to around $33.35, $33.30, I do like it there for a scalp. So that's what I've calculated so far today for a quick scalp bounce, right around 33.30, 33.33, in that vicinity. So keep that on the radar. So we've got a lot of stocks out here this morning in play today, so that should make for a decent morning. Right now the futures are up 3.5 points. The gold market, gold is getting hit today. So the GLD is down about, I should say gold futures are down right now by about $12.60 to $1,215 an ounce. So gold is retreating today. That's down about 1%. If you take a look at the GLD, you'll see that's down to around 116.55. If you've been an InTheMoneyStocks methodology member, InTheMoneyStocks Research Center member, you know from what I've told you that we were up into good resistance on gold, and we'd wait for a pullback on it as it did hit our target. Looking over at the crude oil market, crude oil is pulling back again today. That is down about $1 at the moment. If you take a look at the USO, which is a good way to trade light sweet crude, a good ETF for it, it is trading down at $20 a share. This closed at $20.44 yesterday. So light sweet crude down about $1.05. The USO down about 40 cents. And right now that's sitting at 20 bucks. So we'll see how crude plays out. All you got to do is look at the dollar. US dollar index has caught a nice bid today. Dollar up, oil down, gold down. That's kind of the way it's working lately. All right, everybody. With that being said, I want to wish you all a great trading day. Again, come on over. Take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You'll see everything that we're doing. We get volatility. We get trades. That's the bottom line. It's been a great 2015. We're going to look to keep that going again today. With that being said, everybody have a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.